Hello guys, so today we'll be creating this amazing webinar flyer design on Photoshop, and get ready, it's really going to be interesting, trust me. Let's get started. Alright, so here are the resources I used, and I'm just going to hide all of them. Now I'll be opening them one by one and explaining them. Okay, here's the background I used. I actually got the background from Pinterest. Yes, and it's multiple background. I just added them together. Okay, so here was the first background I used. I added a hue and saturation effect, but it didn't show much though, because it wasn't that necessary. I just added it, so you should have it will blend. Here some. Let me just hide all the background first. Okay, here's the first background I used. Here's the first background. I also got this from Pinterest. All this here, I got all of them from Pinterest, and I just opened them one after the other. Right. I wanted to give the techie vibe. You can see that was why I added that light, that stuff that looked like lights. Alright, let's hide the background now. This is still in the hue and saturation. Let's leave that. Actually, color palettes are good. You see what I'll do with this color palette up. And this is actually an artboard. Yes. Alright, let me hide the background. Let me cover the group. Now this is the model I used. I added a smart subject effect. I sharpened it in my filter gallery. I don't know why I'm not sure if the filter gallery will show. I'll try and change my screen recorder though. Yeah, so this is the model I used, and I sharpened it. Actually, this is a fictional design though. It's a fictional design. Yeah, I'm actually gonna love the process. Yeah, this is the text I use. I grouped them because I don't want this video to be that lengthy. Right, also I'll be explaining how I achieved all of them. I'll start from that rectangular shape. I'll explain how I made it. It's actually simple though. It's easy to make. Let's go, guys. I will just make another shape as example, so you guys will see it. I don't know why the properties are not showing this shape. You just create another shape. So I'll give you a practical example of how I created it. Alright, go to your shape tool and click. You can see those edges. You can get the edges from sliding it left and right, and you'll be able to get that edges. They're actually very simple though. Just follow this step and boom, that's all. Alright guys, I'll just delete it because I don't need it. I already have the one I want to use. go to the next one, the logo. How I achieve this logo is quite simple though. It's quite simple how I achieve the logo. Yes, I will explain it briefly. So what I did, I added a text, and let me make it to be more practical. I added a text. I highlighted the parts. Life is good, man. Life is good. All right. I highlighted the part. Let me highlight it. All right. I highlighted the part I want to make bigger. I want to increase the size of that good. So just highlight it and go to the size and increase it. You can see that it's only affecting the one you highlighted. Actually, Photoshop is a very crazy app. You can use it to do many things though. I just love using the app more than CorelDRAW. CorelDRAW user. CorelDRAW is actually very good though. Alright. Okay, that was how I got it. Then I merged a shape to it. I just converted it to smart object. I'll give you an example of how I made it. I will import a shape now and show you a practical example too. Yeah, so here's the shape. Go to select color range and click. I don't know why it's not showing. I don't know why it's not showing. Go to color range and mask it out. And go to FX when you're done, or you can double click it. I pray that it shows on the video. Pray that it shows. Kings David, yes, that part. So you can actually click Alt, hold your Alt and drag it to copy an effect. Here you can see. Yeah, you can see. So you can just hold your Alt and left click and drag it. So this is actually just the text, and I guess all of you can do this part. Let's go, guys. This one I just wrote the text and I made the master class to be bold. I used a bold font with the master class, then I used the regular font with Kings David. I will just show you an example of how I gave David Kings. Oh God, King David, what am I saying? Oh, alright, let's go. Just highlight it. Same way. Why is it not working? Okay. Just double click, highlight. Double click, highlight the parts and give it a color you want. Simple as ABC. Alright. So that was how I achieved that King David. Why am I calling it King David? Oh my God. David Kings. Alright, I don't need that part. So the mic, let me just unmask it, and this is how it looked like before I removed the background. Now I've deleted the marks. Let me just overall go to your select. I don't know why it's taking time to load, and go to select subject. You wait for it to load. Go to select subject, wait for it to load. Yes, the selection is made. Then mask it out. You can see that there are some parts that are not removed, but I can just hide it there. But let me just remove it. Okay, you Ctrl Z, click on objects, that selection tool. What's its name again? You go to the minus, no, the add, sorry. Go to the add, and you add the selection to that place. The negative one, and add the selection to that place. What I'm doing is that I'm adding a selection to the place that was not selected. Just mask it out, and boom, you can see it's even much better than the former one, just with that simple technique. Then I'll just hide it and find a way to put it. I was trying to make the design balance. Actually, that was how I added that mic stuff, so that the design will not look one-sided. So you can see the design is visually balanced. Yes, the design is visually balanced. Now just unhide my text. So this text is actually easy to make. Just go to your rectangular tool, draw a rectangle, and add your text. The rectangular tool, and add your text. It's actually very simple to achieve though. This part is very simple, and it's for beginners. Let me hide it, and I'll be hiding the second text group. I'll be hiding it very soon. See, if I bring it to the front, I was trying something. It's actually not bad, but I prefer it being in the back. So this is the other text. You can see the work of color palette. You can see that color palette is actually very important in designing. Just have a color palette and be strategic in using it, so that your design will not look childish or color riot. So I'll be breaking down how I achieved this other text group I unveiled. Stay with me. Let's go. Alright, so the first thing let me just unclick all of them and start from the shape. How I make the shape. Go to your shape, draw your rectangular shape, and you can see just like that. I think I'll bring it to the front. It will be much better if I bring it to the front. This is to the front. Let me place to the front. Let me drag it up to the front. I want you guys to be seeing what I'm doing very well. So just, you can see that all of them are moving together, audio side. That's because it's linked together. All edges are linked together. So that's why all the edges are having the radius style together. Now what I will do is I will unlink it. Just click on that stuff that look like chain. Click on it, and you can see that if I add the radius to one part, only the part we have the radius. Just watch. You see what I'm talking about. You can see only one part is having the radius. Only one part. That's because I've unlinked it. Because on the norms, they are most time linked together. But right now they are not linked. I've unlinked it. You can see now. I'm not playing to all of them and having their different pixels size, their radius size. So that was actually how I achieved that shape. I'll just delete it. I already have it. Then let me unhide. Let me unclip it. Yes, let me unclip it. Let me show you. This was actually what I have, but I changed the blending mode to overlay. That was why it's like this. You can see it's normal now. Look at how normal look like. So I just went to blending option and I was looking for a perfect match. I was looking for a perfect match, and overlay was actually the best I could see, best that could fit it more. Let's say yes, it was the best. So I clicked it. You can hold your alt and click it, that part will show, or you can right click and create clipping marks. Right click and create clipping marks, or hold your alt key. That plus button if you want to add a layer, and go to your brush, select the color, and I use a darker shade of the color, darker shade, and brush off. I'm just trying to make the shape look kind of busy, not very dull. So I brushed it and gave it a kind of dark feel. Well, actually, I'm going to delete it because I already have something I wanted. So just now the light effect. How I achieved this was very simple, and I will explain it. Also very practical. Like I wanted everywhere to be kind of not dull, so that was why I actually added the light effect. Just go to layer and add a new layer. Go to brush and use your bracket key to either adjust the brush to make it bigger or smaller. Just dab it there and dab. That's all. simple. Then I change your blend mode to, I changed mine to screen, though you can change yours to anyone that fits well for you, but I usually use screen for light effects. But I want the light effect to be very realistic. You can see it's just shining, like there's supposed to be a reflection on the man, actually show that the light is shining well. So actually you see the part why I now used the light reflection. You can see the reflection. Now look as if the light is shining on his body. Create a solid color, pick a light shade of the color, pick a light shade. I'll bring that one up so that I can create a new one. Then you invert it, Ctrl I to invert the selection. Just press Ctrl I, click on it, Ctrl I to invert the selection. Yes, invert it. Then there's a rule of it. Foreground is white, background is black. So when the background is black, the foreground must be white. You cannot use a black background and a black background. I don't know if you're getting me. So let's just, you can see I use the white foreground color. No, let me reduce my flow. Just reduce my flow a little bit and follow me. Yes, just be careful when you are doing this and also be intentional. Yeah, I'm just trying to rush this video. That's actually why you can see I'm quite making some mistake here. You can see the selection, like the law of it. If I change it to black, if I switch selection to black on black, you see that everything I do will be like to be removing it. Let me just switch it. You can see, okay, it's cleaning off. The light effect is cleaning off. Let me Ctrl Z it. Okay, actually see. So when I'm using a black layer, like call it a layer, but you guys understand what I'm saying here. That's what matters. So that was how I achieve it. Then I changed the blend mode to screen. This camera raw filter doesn't actually have a how will I call it now. So that was actually how I created this design using Photoshop. You can see the before and after. All right, thank you for watching and have a nice day. See you in our next video. Peace out.